Hi, let's take a look at how AfterPullback can help us define a technical trading strategy. This strategy can then be assigned to backtests or scanners to detect specific trading setups. You'll find the Strategy section in the Strategy Planner under the Strategy Builder to create a new strategy, or under Strategies to see a list of the ones you've created before. When we click on the Strategy Builder, we'll see a form that helps us create a strategy. A technical trading strategy might sound a bit complex, but if you're familiar with trading concepts, it's pretty easy to set up an AfterPullback. First, we just need to give it a name, something like My Breakout Strategy. Then in the next section, we define the stop loss and take profit. This is a best practice for any short-term trading strategy. Both the stop loss and take profit can be set with different values and methods, like ATR, points or percentages. ATR, average true range. This calculates the average range of the last few candles, including gaps. Points. If it's a stock, this represents the price, where each dollar is 1 point. Percent. This refers to a percentage of the account, showing how much you want to risk in relation to your account or the trade. In this example, let's say we want to risk up to 2 ATRs and take profit at 4 ATRs. Next, we define the conditions for entry and exit, whether for long or short trades. For entry, we click Add Entry Condition, and from there, we can choose various indicators. AfterPullback is continuously adding more indicators over time, making this even more flexible. Let's say we want to use the last candlestick close, which is the most recent candlestick's closing value. We want it to cross from below the simple moving average. Specifically, we'll set it to cross the 20 SMA. Once the price crosses the 20 SMA, we save that as a condition, and it will appear in the conditions list. Similarly, we can define exit conditions in the long exit area by clicking Add Exit Condition. However, this step is optional since we've already defined a stop loss, which also acts as an exit condition. By the way, if we define both a specific exit condition using technical indicators and keep the stop loss, whichever condition is met first will be triggered. If we want to define separate conditions for short trades, we have the flexibility to adjust entry and exit conditions specifically for short cases as well. Once everything is set, we save the strategy. After saving, the strategy will show up in the Strategies list section. Over time, as the strategy is used, we'll see related stats displayed here. Since this is a new strategy, there won't be stats yet, but later we'll be able to explore tabs showing all the relevant information linked to that strategy. How do we use the strategy? Let's go over this. Once created, a strategy can be used in backtests to test different assets. By running backtests, we can identify assets with better scores based on parameters described in other videos focused on backtesting. Next, we create a watch list from the stocks that performed well in backtests using that specific strategy. For example, we might call it something like High Cap Stocks Backtest for my trend strategy. We then assign a scanner to this watch list, which is connected to the strategy. The scanner will monitor the watch list, scan the stocks that had the best backtest scores, and generate trading signals. To recap, we create a strategy. We backtested on several assets. We pick the assets with the best backtest scores and create a watch list. We connect a scanner to that watch list to identify specific trading setups using the strategy. This process will generate signals based on backtested assets and your customized trading strategy, helping you identify higher probability trades. Visit afterpullback.com and sign up today to unlock your trading potential.